guys, today we're gonna make some homemade chalk. So you need some cornstarch, a measuring spoon, some paintbrushes, water, a cupcake tin, and some food coloring. So we will show you how to do it. First, you have to take your tablespoon and take one tablespoon of it and put it in, two actually, and pour it in. Go. And another one. So you need the same exact amount of how you're putting in. You need the same exact amount of water. And it is cornstarch, by the way. Here we go. Pour that water in there. 1 and 2. And then also you will need 6 different food colorings. Now Daniela will do the next one. Here, do it with your hand. And while we mix it and put in our food dye, Daniela will do this. A little more. Let's mix it up with the bottom. It gets very chunky on the bottom, guys. So you gotta keep on mixing it every few seconds till you put in your food dye. So yeah, so if you don't think you put an equal amount, there we go. You just put in some more if you don't feel like you put enough. Oh, another one. There we go. Now I'm putting some water. 1. And she's gonna do 2. And now let's mix it up for her. Okay, she'll do it while we add our color. Guys, what color should we do? I think I want to do royal blue. So you can add in whatever color you would like, whatever color you want. Yes. So I'm gonna put or maybe 2. I like this color. I'm gonna put in some pink. She's gonna put in some pink. So be very careful because food dye stains. Yeah. And mix, guys. Oh, I feel the hardness on the bottom if you could see it. Guys, look at this royal blue. This is such a nice color. Oh, wow. And we have our pink and our blue now. Now I'm going to be making another color. So again, let's do the process again. Keep on doing it. And last one. Okay. Now mix while Daniela does hers. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, stir. So you gotta make sure you stir everything thoroughly and make sure you feel 0 clumps on the bottom. So just take like a toothpick or a brush and just keep on mixing with the bottom until you feel 0 anything on the bottom. Go. Now she's gonna mix hers and we're gonna keep on doing it, and yeah. Now we're gonna add the rest of the colors. So, oh guys, look at this. Look, see how it's so hard? It's super, super hard. See, you gotta make sure you mix everything. My next color is going to be purple. Danielle's gonna do purple now. So, I'm gonna just mix these up. So I'm gonna put in here again 2 drops. Oh, a little blue in there. It's okay. Go. Oh, that one? Oh, okay. 1. I think that's enough. That's very dark color. Okay, I'm gonna do green because I love green. It is an apple green. Yeah, green is a very good color. Oh wow, look how dark that is. Ooh guys, look at her purple. It's so pretty. Kind of dark. I'm gonna put my green in this one. 1. Ooh, it's not coming out. It's making bubbles. 1. And just remember, you guys,
You can make it whatever color you really like.
Yes. You can make it any color
And
you
the
like.
last color is gonna be pretty hard, so I'm just gonna do some.
I want to do
yellow.
yellow. Oh, I wanted to do yellow, so I'll do red. Okay, I'll put my yellow right there.
Ooh, this one's hard to open. I think this one is.
Hey.
It's stuck. Oh, no.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Here's, let's put the red.
So
Or you know what, let's put it more here.
you need an adult to help you with the food dye. Oh no!
Oh, her cat fell in there. Oh
Reach in there and get it out.
no. Ew.
Oh no, it's not very good.
Okay, let's make our red. It looks more like a pink, right, guys?
Oh no, I added too much substance.
It's okay.
Okay, you know what? It's a big, like,
Let's add some more.
I don't think this is gonna close because I lost that.
Oh, that's a little too much.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix.
Guys, we put too much. Oh no.
Okay, it needs more water. That's what I feel like it needs. And
Guys, it's not turning red. Okay, you know what? This is the reddest we can get. Guys, I love all these fun colors.
yeah. I think
Now
we
let's
can
give
do-
them a quick stir.
I'm gonna give each one a little stir, stir.
Stir, stir,
Oh no, this
stir.
one needs more water.
No, this is fine. So this is our homemade chalk.
Oh no, some yellow got in my purple.
So,
It's okay, just
also in 2 more days is going to be Earth Day. So yay! So that's why we have some green and some blue. So today's theme, we will mostly be trying to do some Earth Day themes because it is almost Earth Day and we love our planet. So we will make sure we don't waste too much lights. Like we don't use the lights a lot and we turn it off after we're done. We don't use too much electricity. And we make sure when we're done eating, we throw out whatever we eat. And also paper. Whenever you're done with paper and you messed up, turn to the next page and keep on going. So yeah, let's get started. So this is why we have a brush. Or you could take any other tool
You
that
can take
works.
a spoon, a fork, anything.
I would say a fork or a spoon.
You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, so I'm gonna make a big earth. So I'm gonna take some blue. Sometimes you gotta stir it because the cornstarch is on the bottom. So
I'm gonna
let's
put some
just make
yellow.
a big earth. Oh, you can't see it too much. We gotta make sure we put more
Yeah,
blue.
you could paint anything you want. So I'm gonna make like a pink heart or something. Oh no, you can't really see that heart.
Also, it will get darker as it dries. So right now you can't see anything. And we'll show you when we're done. We'll show you when it is done drying in a few hours. But
You
for
guys-
now, let's see this drying.
You guys, I mixed some paint and it turned into a lighter purple.
So I'm gonna take some more royal blue and put it in there because it isn't coming as dark. It's supposed to be a little darker.
Oh, that's a lot of purple.
I
think I
think
need
you
more
are just
purple.
squirting out.
I think I need more purple. You gotta hold it
So
upside down.
silly.
I think I'm gonna put in some more purple.
Oh yeah, much better.
I just need to put in a little bit more purple because it's a little bit too light. What else? Oh, that's it. There we go. That's a dot. That's a dot.
There we go. See guys? Beautiful.
Just put a dot or two because blue dye is really
Whoa guys, look at this blue now.
Oh.
Let's do it again.
Oh, that's a really dark
my goodness. Guys, look at it over here. It just needed a second.
Yeah, you put
Oh
in
no.
a...
Oh guys, look what happened. We made a purple
Oh no, but
with the
we
pink.
already have a purple. Okay,
I guess we can make a heart
I'm
because
gonna put
we
in
love
some more pink
Earth,
blue dye. Yes.
right? We love Earth.
I do not like this color.
Oh no.
No. Okay, let me make it back to pink.
Why? I actually like that purple.
I just put in some pink. I don't
do
because we already have two purples.
Oh my goodness, look at the purple now, guys. It turned actually much prettier.
I still don't really like it. So I actually like this color. I don't really like it. So I'm gonna put that back. And let's start sewing. I'm gonna put like a little like heart.
Look what Daniela's doing.
I'm trying to make a heart with every single color.
Yeah. Doo, doo, doo.
Okay, I'm gonna make like a little bit with some. I'm gonna put my paintbrush in the water. You can just put your paintbrush in the water and wet it.
Mhm.
So I'm gonna put some glue. Oh, the water turned like green.
Let's finish our earth. So, oh wow. Come on. Look over here.
Oh no, look what happened to the red. It turned like
Guys, look,
black.
it's getting darker because it dried.
Oh wow.
Let's make it a little darker because that was when we had the lighter.
I want to see what happened to the red.
Whoa! Oh my goodness, look at the red. It turned like brown.
Oh yeah. Ew.
And if you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Yeah.
We will tell you more DIY hacks and we'll tell you other things about toys and fun activities to do at home that you can make. And it's homemade and I'm sure your mom has all these fun things.
Yeah.
And for this chalk making, actually, your mom will have all these things at home. So it's easy and fun.
Yes.
So guys, look at our earth. So now I'm just gonna let it dry while we do something else
I'm gonna make like a dark blue.
so that we could do some green for our land. Like we are on land right now. We're gonna make it green. What else should I do? A sun for the earth. We need a huge sun.
And
Oh
maybe
no, it
some-
turned green.
Oh no.
Why does this keep on mixing?
I think it needs more yellow.
No, that's fine. It's gonna look more prettier as a sun because it's kind of yellowish, orangish. So it will look beautiful. See? Or yeah, maybe she's right. Maybe a little more because it's not as dark and it won't turn as dark as it dries.
Yeah. Because when it dries, it's gonna get like darker, I think, or lighter. I forgot which one.
Yellow. Oops. Guys, it keeps on squirting out for me. There we go. And yes, guys, you could use any type of food coloring.
I'm gonna make a big
Anything
sun.
will work.
I'm gonna put it right there. I'm making a huge sun.
Here's when every single thing is done. We made whatever we can, and something just looks like a big blob. But really it's not. This was supposed to be the earth with a smiley face. And here's supposed to be a sun, but it was supposed to be bigger, but that's okay. And I did some details to make it darker, so I used some red, pink, a little bit of purple, and I just kept on going with it. Then here I just made a heart. And Danielle, what is this?
I made a little heart. It turned out pretty pretty.
Oh, that one's pink. And then here is, what is this?
Ouch. Oh, that's just like a shooting star. It turned out pretty bad.
And here is a tiny heart I made. And so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you did this with us. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.